What the hell? You stopped all that traffic.
Maybe one day you'll learn what blue lights mean.
All the traffic in front of me on the sides all collapsed in on me. I about hit another car on both sides.
Okay. Blue lights mean slow down, get out of the way.
I got that, which is how I got out of the way, so I didn't cause an accident. But I had 3 lanes of traffic literally dead stopped with nowhere to go.
Okay, emergency lights means you move.
I understand that entirely. Stopped in the middle of the road, you jack!
Girl down, except the stuffy nose. That's why I use Sinex Children's Saline from Vicks. Sinex instantly clears mucus in everyday stuffy little noses with a gentle ultrafine mist designed for kids. Just Sinex. Breathe. For noses gone for now.
Whoa, look, same thing just happened.
I just said they need to move them motherfuckers.
Same thing just happened to me. That's crazy.
Oh God! They crashed. Scared myself. The light.
Are you okay? Yeah. What happened? Are you?
A flash has been detected. Contact on the interface service. The location is not
You can go ahead. You can go ahead and clear out.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you were
542 Cleveland.
Or anything. Well, not this time, but just my... That car's going really fast. Slow down.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Dude!
until they hit you, they're not really tailing you.
You in a hurry, buddy? I gotta.
Oh, nice. What the
fuck's he doing?
No, that's. No, he's not.
Yeah, do you know where it's from?
I'll go this way.
Let him go. I'm good. He didn't hit my car. What the f is this motherfucker doing, bro? I did 20 miles an hour to 45?
Is there cars in front of him?
No.
Then fuck cut him off.
No, I'm good.
Ride the mule, grab your hat and away I'll go. You better just ride the mule. Get a little further on down the road. You better just ride that mule. I know where I'm running to. Come on, get your jacket. Come on, get your vest. Come on, get your patty.
Gonna get him?
Yes, you will.
You gonna get him? Yes! 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 Finally, my first karma cop!